So I'll just briefly explain how to open the TradingTree charts. So first what you'll have to do is double click on NinjaTrader. If you have a 64-bit, you can double click on that. Otherwise you can directly open NinjaTrader 7 if you are in 32-bit. So once that opens, you just double click on the Shareguru server that will be on your desktop. Just say OK. Okay, there is an update of the software, so I just updated it. So let me just again open it. So I have got the Shareguru server here, and my NinjaTrader is here. One of the easiest ways to open the chart is to have the NinjaTrader on the left corner, and on the right corner you can just have Shareguru server. Now first important thing is, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on the file, NinjaTrader file menu, and then there is a connect. You should click on external data feed, and you'll be getting this sound. So now it means that your NinjaTrader and your Shareguru are connected for the data feed. And the other important thing what you'll have to do is you should click on NinjaTrader first, and you can see that it's not started, it's actually stopped. So this should always be running, then only you'll be getting the data feed into your charts. So what you'll do is you'll have to just click on the start button. Just click on the start button and you can see that it will be running, and then just say OK. Now this is sometimes we get this script symbols, the symbol names with -1. We should not actually get this with -1. So in order to get the symbols without hyphen, what you'll have to do is, let's say I've just started the currency, it's 9 o'clock, so the currency markets are open. So I'll just click on the currency button and just say OK. So now you can see that Euro INR 1, Euro INR -1 are there. So for all the symbols you have with hyphen and without hyphen. What you do is you just right click on this empty space here and then click on reset. So now you can see that the -1 symbol has disappeared. Now in case if you try to open with -1, that is take the backfill and then open it with -1, you'll get error in the historical import data. So now so since I have solved this, now what I'll do is, since there were only 4 scripts in currency, I'll take the backfill. So what I do is I right click, I select all the symbols, right click, go to this backfill and then click on 30 days because I am just doing intraday trades. So 30 days of backfill is enough for me. And you can actually see the backfill happening here. Backfill success for the pound. So this will again, the backfill will depend upon your system speed and the internet speed. And in case if you have a very good system and if your internet connection is also very good, then you'll get the backfill fast. So now the backfill is done. So my historical data for all the scripts are stored in tools, that is NinjaTrader tools, historical data manager. Click on that and you should choose the time zone. The time zone is nothing but Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. Just click on that and check these 2 boxes. So once you check these 2 boxes, click on start import. Now in start import, all your historical files will be in the C drive. C drive, program files. In program files, you'll have all your softwares. I have the Shareguru server here. So that is the Shareguru server. I double click on that and then I double click on this NT import directory. So these are the text files that are there where your historical data is stored. You'll be having around 90 days of historical data traded. So what I'll do is, now I'll choose the scripts. Now I'm not, it's still not 9:15, so I'll be just choosing only the scripts which are in the currency segment, that is Euro, GBP, INR. I can just hold the control button and click on Euro INR, GBP INR, now JPY and USD INR. So I have just selected all the four and then I'll just say open. So you will get this pop-up saying the historical data is inputted successfully. Just say OK. Now come back to the NinjaTrader, click on File, New, Chart, and since I'll be opening the USD INR first, I'll double click on USD INR. Just say OK. So you can just see the prices are being populated. So you can just hold and push, drag and all. So let me just open the other charts also. File, New, Chart. I have the Euro here, Euro INR. I just double click on that. Just say OK. The same thing for the pound. It's here. So I just double click on that. Just say OK. And the last one is the Japanese yen. So it is here. Sorry. In case if you double click on a wrong script, you can just click on remove. It will go away. Double click on JPY. Just say OK. So now I have opened the charts for all these four symbols. Now you can see that the bottom line, you can see the timeline. So my price is at 57.39. You can just see that here. That will keep updating. So today it's a gap up. So you can just see that the prices will get populated. So it's a gap up for all the currencies. So naturally the Nifty will be a gap down open. So I just put it in 10 minutes. You can change in case if you want to 30 minutes or 10 minutes is idle for intraday trades. So we usually put it on 10 minutes. So the right side of the extreme right, what you see is the prices. You have the S1 levels, the support levels, the resistance levels, and the PP, pivot point. So now USD is trading near the PP, but you had a buy call here. This buy call came at 61.24. You can see the prices at the right side, 61.24. The price now is 61.47. So these are some things. This is how you open the charts. Now at 9:15 we can again open the charts for futures and options, that is stock futures, and then we can even take the commodity charts at 10 o'clock once we get the data. So you will not be getting the data till 9:15 for futures, and you will get the data only on commodities at 10 o'clock only. As soon as it rings 10 o'clock, you will get all the data here, then you can start doing it. Now there will be some troubleshooting things which I'll have to tell you. Now in case if your data is not refreshing in your chart, it means that there is one thing, that is it is not external. You wouldn't have, you would have forgot to click the external data feed. So that is one reason. Or else the other reason is your NinjaTrader icon on Shareguru server will not be running. So I told you, I just showed you in the morning that it was off. So I just started it. So this is one reason, in case if you're not getting the data on your chart. So these are two simple things. It's very simple to open the charts. Now I'll just show you how to open the charts of the futures in another 5 minutes, because we are at 9:10 now. In another 5 minutes, the market will open for the futures, and then we can actually even open the charts for futures. I'll just show you that. And you can just, historical data manager, you don't have to close it. You can just keep it open here, so that you won't have to go to the NT import directory right from starting. If you just click start, it will directly take you to the historical data page. That is the place where your historical data files are saved. So you don't have to close this, so it becomes easy and faster for you to open the charts. So this is how you open the charts. So it's 9:15 now. So you can just see that you have got the prices for the stock futures. So now what I will do is I'll just select 5 to 10 scripts at a time and then open them as soon as I take back from the historical data. So this should be done immediately so that you won't lose the prices. So I will just right click, select the 5 scripts, right click, click on 30 days. So you can see that the backfill happening here, Axis Bank. So all these 5 scripts are done till DLF. What I will do now is I'll just go to the NinjaTrader, click on Tools, Historical Data Manager. It's already open. So I'll just click on Start Import. I'll select all these 5 scripts and I'll just remove this copper and crude oil and just say Open. You can actually see, okay, you got the pop-up. Now just click OK. Now immediately open the charts. So after taking the backfill and the historical data, you should immediately open the charts. You should not wait for some time and then you open the charts, because you'll not get that correct data feed in case if you open it later. So I just opened all these charts. So 5 scripts I have opened. So now what I'll do is I'll try to open the remaining scripts also. So I have selected from HCL to JP Associates. Right click, backfill 30 days. Now in case if you would have got the scripts with hyphen symbol, so what you should have done is you should have clicked on features and options button here, the button here, and then right click here and then put it on reset. Now I don't need to do that because I got all the scripts without hyphen on. In case if you get with hyphen, then you click on features and options button, right click here in the empty space and click on reset. So my HCL Tech to JP Associates is being done, that is the backfill. What I'll do is I won't wait till that time. I'll just click on historical data manager, wait till it completes. I'll click on start import. I'll just wait till it does JP Associates. Now till JP Associates it is done. So I'll click, I'll select all this and just say open. You can see that the data being, historical data being done here. So you'll get the symbol, pop-up, just say OK, now open the charts immediately. And it's very important that you open the charts immediately so that you will not lose some trades. File new chat, just double click on the symbol, you'll get all the prices. So I just opened all the charts till JP Associates. Now I can open all the other charts also. So I have just chosen till Sun Pharma. Just right click 30 days and just wait for the backfill to happen. Meanwhile, I'll just check what's happening in the charts. So you can just see that JP Associates is a gap up open. ITC is a gap down open. You can see that here. Forces is a gap up.
There is a sell call in CIPLA1.
So this is how you get the calls. Cipla, we have a sell call. So we'll just say OK on that pop-up. Directly go to the Cipla chart. You can just see that we have a sell call here. So you'll put your trade slightly below this lowest price of this candle. So now my backfill is done till Well Infra. I'll just wait for other two scripts, that is SBI and Sun Pharma. And I'll click on Tools, Historical Data Manager, and get ready to open charts now. So it's done till Sun Pharma. I'll choose this. I'll remove this nickel copper and just say OK. Okay, I got this pop-up, so just say OK. Now come to New Chart and open the charts.
There is a sell call in ONGC1.
So we have a sell call in ONGC. So I just taken the backfill. Now I'll just click on the Tools, Historical Data Manager. So till S Bank it is done. So I'll just choose those scripts and open the charts now. File new chart. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro.
There is a sell call in WIPR01.
So whenever you get this pop-up, you should always say OK, otherwise it won't go. It will keep repeating every 10 minutes. So just say OK for S Bank. So now all my
There
charts
is a sell
are
call in YSBNK1.
So you have this calls now. So we have seen that around 4 or 5 calls we have got till now. So what we'll do is all these calls, in case if you forget, these calls, all these alerts will be recorded in File, New, Alerts. You can just click on Alerts, so you can just see what are the calls that have been generated today. We had a sell call in S Bank, Wipro, Well Infra, ONGC and Cipla. All these 5 are sell calls. So you can record whatever the calls that you have got in case if you have opened many charts. Now what we'll do is just minimize this. NinjaTrader, you won't need that till 10 o'clock until the commodity market opens. Now it was a gap down. Now you place your trade slightly below this and then wait for the call to get triggered. It actually gave you a sell call, it's going up, so your call has not got triggered still. So that is about Yes Bank. And Wipro also we have a sell call. You can just see that. What you'll have to do is you'll have to just, you can move the button, hold, click on the right button, and then you can keep moving right or left. So we have a sell call at 579. So 578 you can just put an trade and then wait for it to get triggered. And your first target will be a S2 and the next target will be a S3 levels. And the red horizontal line what you are seeing is your stop loss. So this sell call for Tech Mahindra is still continuing. So that is TCS. So ONGC Tata Steel is a gap down open. Tata Motors is also a gap down. Sun Pharma is flat. We got the sell call on last Friday at 310. So SBI is trading below this brown line. So Rel Infra, we had the sell call. You can see that this call, if you place it here now, 575 or 574, and then wait for it to get triggered. The prices what you are seeing is directly the futures prices. So Reliance, we have the results coming up today. So we had one call in ONGC. I'm just trying to open that. So we have the sell call in ONGC. You can just see that this has not got triggered. So you can place your trade at 401 and wait till it gets triggered. So this is how you open the charts. It's very simple. Once you open the charts, you will be getting the calls only on the charts which are open, and you can start trading. So you'll have to be careful. That is one thing what you'll have to see is you should not get any symbol here with hyphen. So in case if you get any symbol with hyphen, what you'll do is click on the respective futures or commodities button and then just right click on the empty space and then click on reset. It will get reset. Then you can actually take the backfill and you can open the charts. So this is how we open the charts. In case if you have any doubts, you can just ping me.